Your recovery from diarrhea is not just about the medications you take, it is also about the foods that you eat. And in this video, I'll show you which foods are gentler on your digestive system during diarrhea, and I'll also share with you why these foods are recommended. Hi, my name is Chinazu Lawrence, a food scientist, and this is Food-Informa. On this channel, I help you understand how and why certain foods can help in managing everyday health problems using food science and credible scientific research. I am not a doctor, so I won't be diagnosing or treating you. This is purely food science education. That being said, let's get right into the video. Whenever you have diarrhea, food and water are moving through your intestine very quickly, and so there is less time for those nutrients, for those water to be absorbed into your bloodstream. So you are not just experiencing a watery stool, you are losing water, you are losing nutrients, you are losing electrolytes that your body needs to function. And so the World Health Organization recommends that your first response to diarrhea should be replacing the fluids that you are losing very fast. And so the first thing we're talking about is taking a oral rehydration solution. And here is why. Whenever you are having diarrhea, you are not just losing water, you are also losing salt. Now, your body cannot efficiently absorb water without enough salt. And so the ORS is a balanced mixture of salt, water, and sugar. It is the salt and sugar in this product that pulls water that is in your intestine back into the bloodstream. Another meal you can have during diarrhea is banana. And they are recommended because they are rich in potassium. Potassium is one of the electrolytes that you lose during diarrhea. And so having bananas can replace that potassium that your body is losing. Another meal that is recommended that you can eat during diarrhea is white rice. And that is because it is low in fiber and it has digestible starch. Your intestine are already moving too fast. So you don't want to consume a food that is high in fiber, which will add more bulk to already loose stool and further speed up the rate of bowel movement. Also, since your body has the digestive enzymes that can break down the starch in rice, very little undigested material reaches the colon, and so there is no much material there to contribute in forming more loose stools. White bread is also recommended to be eaten during diarrhea because it is low in fiber and it contains digestible starch. You see, your gut is already irritated, and so the last thing you would want to do is put it through extra work in trying to break down stuff. White bread also can be a source of energy because they are high in calories. And the last meal on this list would be boiled peeled potatoes. Emphasis on peeled because peeling it will remove bulk of the insoluble fiber, which could cause more problems if you don't peel it. Potatoes also are rich in potassium, and so they can also be a source of replacing the potassium that you are losing in diarrheal stools. Nutritionally, these foods are not the best because they are lacking in proteins, in fibers, and in minerals. But then the goal is not to meet nutritional requirements. The goal of these foods are to firm up your stools quickly so that you can return to your normal balanced diet as soon as you can. Also, these foods should not be a replacement for medical care. So, if your condition is not improving, please and please see a doctor. That being said, if this video helped you, do well to like, subscribe, share, and see you in the next video.